Welcome to another episode of the Design Classroom. I'm Ashley, and with me we have a special guest today. Next to me is actually this handsome guy, Aloysius Pang. Aloysius Pang, welcome to our humble presentation.
It's great to be here. So this is actually my first time in the Design Classroom. Yes. Apparently it's episode 2, so I hope that I can come more often in the future.
Aloysius, we've heard some interesting news about you recently, and it's quite drastic because it seems that you have left the entertainment industry and you have come on board the interior design industry. Can you tell us what is this all about?
Okay, firstly, I have not left the entertainment industry. To be exact, I've left MediaCorp, which means I didn't recontract with them, but I'm still actively pursuing my passion for acting. And the reason why we actually came into this industry is because somehow or other my brother came across certain opportunities and we decided that this was the product that we want to bring in.
So, interior design using environmentally friendly product. Sounds really interesting, and in front of us right now are actually what these products are all about, right? Can you tell us what these products are and what are the usages?
We are mainly doing decking. So a lot of people actually don't understand what decking is all about. So decking is mainly a material that covers a platform in your house, a surface area in your house. So the material that we are dealing with is actually wood plastic composites. In short, people refer it as WPCs.
WPCs, yes. So WPCs are mainly used as decking for homes.
Yes.
Other usages?
We currently right now we are trying to break the boundaries. So in the past, people always refer to WPC as WPC's decking for balconies or outdoor deckings. But right now we are trying to break the boundaries to create like deckings indoors for bathrooms, for the exterior of your homes, wallings. And we try to do as much as we can. So recently we took down a project that is doing decking for jacuzzis. So we're doing a cover over jacuzzis and a platform around it.
Interestingly enough, as we explored the material with Aloysius and Kairos-Green, we've actually took and specified some of these products in projects that where your landed buildings has a certain look and we want to change the facade. We actually use the decking to create some timber elements to the design. As you can see some of the images here, you can see that we have actually employed the decking into the facade and drastically changed the appearance of the design.
One reason why we believe that can happen is also because of the durability and resistance to external factors. For example, the rain, the weather. Because WPCs are highly resistant to water, rot and decay. So that is the reason why we can put it in the exteriors. You don't have to worry about the WPC materials getting spoiled or being decayed or rot or facing problems like termites.
That means versus natural wood, where in most circumstances you'll be limited to probably one type of wood grain, which is in Singapore you probably have only merbau, balau, as well as chengai. In this case here we can see a variety of colors. How many colors do we have?
Currently on hand we have close to around 10 colors. But that is also one of the major good thing that we want to emphasize about is because WPCs don't require a paint finish. So when you have it in the exterior, you don't have to worry about like the paint fading off.
So Kairos-Green has been around for how many months, and are there any success stories you want to share with us?
Today it's around 3 to 4 months, and I have to say that I'm blessed with a lot of opportunities ever since I've entered this industry. So in Singapore we took down a couple of development projects. We've been doing some households, and thanks to SCDC, which opened up the doors for us in JB, we are doing a couple of development projects in JB, and hopefully we want to venture into KL as well.
That's great. As per what we normally do in the design classroom, we are going to abuse and torture the materials that are brought to us. So this time around we're going to do some kind of abuse and torture test, and let's see whether the materials from Kairos-Green actually survive the test.
I have to admit, this is probably the segment that I'm worried about, but yeah, I'm pretty confident about my materials and I'm sure we can pass through.
Let's bring it on. We've come to the end of this episode of the Design Classroom, and we have actually finished the abuse test for the Kairos-Green decking product. Now, Aloysius, tell me, what do you think about the abuse test?
I'm really proud about my materials. Apparently, we all stood up to the test. And I'm also thankful to SLI, SCDC, and also the Design Classroom for having me here today. If you need more information about our products, do check out our website www.kairos-green.com or check out our Facebook page, Kairos-Green Pte Ltd.